Our today's recipe is garlic bread. Garlic bread process is divided into three parts. First, yeast fermentation. Second, garlic bread base. And third, garlic bread stuffing. So, for yeast fermentation, we need 3 teaspoons of veg active yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar, and 60 ml lukewarm water. There are two types of yeast available in the market: active yeast and instant yeast. You can use any. Here I have been using active yeast. For garlic bread base, we need 400 grams of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of milk powder, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons oil, half teaspoon salt, and 300 ml lukewarm water. For garlic bread stuffing, we need 10 to 12 garlic pieces, 1 tablespoon chili flakes, 1 tablespoon oregano, 3 tablespoon butter, and 2 tablespoon coriander. Firstly, we need to ferment the yeast. For that, in a container, we add 3 teaspoon veg active yeast. To that, we add 1 tablespoon of sugar and 60 ml lukewarm water. Now, we will mix this mixture properly and close it with a lid. The container should be airtight. Air should not get released from it. We will let it ferment for 10 to 15 minutes on a warm place. Our yeast is now fermented. Now we start with the garlic bread base. So for that, in a bowl, we will add 400 gram all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons sugar, 4 tablespoon milk powder, 2 tablespoon oil, half teaspoon salt, and fermented yeast. We will combine all these ingredients. After the yeast mixes completely, we will add water little by little and mix it. As soon as the dough gets thick, we will transfer it in a big container. You can add little water if the dough is hard. A dough should be smooth and stretchy, or else the garlic bread will turn hard and chewy. We will add some oil and knead it so that it does not stick. We have to knead the dough for approximately 10 to 15 minutes. We will keep adding little oil and knead it. The more we knead the dough, it will turn to be smooth and make our garlic bread soft. After kneading the dough for 10 to 15 minutes, we will fold the dough from down towards in and give it a dome shape. We will drizzle some oil on the dough. We will cover the bowl so that it is airtight packed and proof it for 45 minutes in warm place. We will start with making of garlic stuffing. For that, we will take 10 to 15 garlic pieces and chop them. Here I have used chopper. You can even use mixture. We will chop garlic roughly and not make a paste out of it. Our garlic is now chopped, so we will transfer it in a bowl. To that, we will add 3 tablespoon butter, 1 tablespoon oregano, 1 tablespoon chili flakes, and 2 tablespoon coriander and mix well. If you want it spicy, you can add more chili flakes. Our mixture is now mixed well. It's been 45 minutes now. We will check our dough. As you can see, dough is doubled in size. We will knead the dough and punch out the excess air. We will now transfer it in a big container so that it is easy to knead. By adding little oil, we knead it lightly. We need to apply some oil in our hand so that it does not stick. We will now check the dough by slightly pressing it. If it bounces back and gets its original shape, that means our dough is now ready to make garlic bread. Now we take a medium-sized dough and make a smooth ball by folding the edges inside. After that, we will sprinkle some flour and roll it thick. Here I have given a square shape. You can even roll it in circle. We will now spread the garlic bread stuffing evenly. Then fold it and seal the edges. We will even spread the stuff on top so that its taste and texture turns out amazing. We will now cut it in equal proportion with the help of knife. As you can see here, I have left 1 inch from top. We will now take a baking tray and grease it evenly. Then we will transfer the garlic bread to the tray. Before baking the garlic bread, we will first preheat the oven at 180 degree for 10 minutes. We will now bake the garlic bread for 25 minutes at 180 degree. At 20 minutes, check your garlic bread once. Our garlic bread is now baked. Now we will brush some butter so that the garlic bread has a constant softness. Our garlic bread is now ready to serve.